Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of What Christmas Means to Me. Not the original Stevie Wonder version, but the John Legend version that actually features Stevie Wonder. What we're going to do in this video is first we're going to look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we'll take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk a little bit about strumming. If you like the chords you see here, you can find the chord chart or tabs at UkeStuff.info, which is my blog. Just find the page for that and look alphabetically for What Christmas Means to Me, and you'll find the PDF there. And if you want to support the work here at this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, so let's begin with the chords we need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Koloha Opio Sapele concert ukulele. There are only 4 chords in the song. The first chord is the C chord, then the F chord, then the D minor chord, and then the G chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play What Christmas Means to Me by John Legend, featuring Stevie Wonder on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone ukulele. For baritone ukulele, I'm not even going to use a baritone. I'm going to use this instrument. This is a concert scale tom ukulele with Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it, so it's tuned DGBE ukulele. The first chord you're going to need is the C chord, then the F chord. Now, don't let the F chord freak you out. Take a deep breath. It's where a lot of guitar players quit playing guitar, is with the F chord. Doesn't have to be so bad. First of all, might be worth checking your action to make sure that you're not having to press down too hard. Action is how high the strings sit off of the fretboard, and if the action is really high, that can cause some problems, not only with playing, but also making your instrument out of tune up and down the neck. Now, if your action is good, what you'll want to do is take your first finger and put it across strings 1 and 2 right above the middle first fret, and then hold the ukulele securely with your picking or strumming hand, and then pull against the fretboard. That should give you most of the sound you need. Then add a little bit of support with your thumb. You should not have to pinch very hard. Then add 2 fingers, and that's your F chord. The next chord is a D minor chord. It may be a little uncommon for you to play. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. It's very much like the C chord. You shift up a string though, so your first finger goes on the first string, first fret, second finger goes on the third string, second fret, and then your third finger is going to go on the second string, third fret. So if you think of playing the C chord up a set of strings, right, and then just add 1 finger, that's your D minor chord. And then finally we've got our G chord, which is one of the easiest chords on baritone ukulele. All right, so those chords are the chords you need to play What Christmas Means to Me, as recorded by John Legend, featuring Stevie Wonder. All right, now let's take a look at strumming. All right, now as it comes to strumming, first and foremost, let me remind you that there was no ukulele used in the original version of the song, so there is not a single right answer. As long as what you play is something that A, you can play, B, sounds good to you, C, fits with the style of the song, and D, matches the tempo of the song, then it's right. It's okay. So if those conditions are met, play what you want to play. However, if you can't figure out a strumming pattern on your own, that's what this next part of the video is for. And the hope is that everyone can eventually determine their own strumming pattern without getting too caught up in it. Don't get caught up in the right strumming pattern, because there almost never is the right strumming pattern. Now, first and foremost, if you need to just play, one strum with every time the box moves, then go ahead and do that. That's totally okay. If you want to go to level 2, what you would do is something like this, going down, up, 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 down, up. Now, you could do that. You could go down, up, down, up, down, up. That would work. It would fit with the song. But what I would do is go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. I would skip 1 up. And if you haven't noticed, all strumming is a collection of up and down and up and down. Doesn't matter what you're doing, how you're playing it, but that's how it works. So you're just skipping 1 up, down, down, up, down, up, down. All right, so that's option number 2, really. So you've got just playing single strums anytime the box moves, or going down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Here's the third one. It involves a chunk. A chunk is when you hit all 4 strings and then you stop it with the palm of your hand. It's often called palm muting or chunking as well. And what we're going to do is this. Down, chunk, up, down, chunk, up, down, chunk, up, down, chunk. Makes me think a little bit of The Lion Sleeps Tonight. Down, chunk, up, 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 down, chunk. So it starts with the down, up. Down, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck. But then it has to go faster like this. That would work really well. So again, it's just down, chuck, up, 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 down, chuck. For the full tempo. All right, so with those chords and those 3 options for strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on What Christmas Means to Me, as recorded by John Legend, featuring Stevie Wonder. Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. Since this is a holiday video, I'm assuming that you're a person that celebrates Christmas, so I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope your holiday season is going great, and I will be back soon with more Uke stuff for you.